Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are well and hearty. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English class for the students of class 5 on the topic Rearrange. I am repeating, today our topic is Rearrange. And students, this is lecture number 27 and homework number 16. I'm repeating, our lecture number is 27 and homework number is 16. So students, please take your notebook and writing elements. We are going to practice. So let's begin. Our topic is rearrange, and here you can see I have written 10 sentences randomly. You have to arrange them and have to make a meaningful sentence. First one is his, he, how, learn, did, listen. Students, here I have written some words randomly and you have to arrange them. So if we arrange them, we find the sentence. Can you guess which sentence we find? We find how did he learned his lesson. So here I am writing how did he learn his lesson. Here you have to put question mark. You can see how did he learn his lesson. This is question and that's why you have to put question mark at the end. Now come to number 2. No, I drive to how. If we arrange all this, we will find I know how to drive. So I'm writing I know how to drive. This is a simple sentence, so at the end we have to use full stop. I know how to drive. Now come to number 3. Our mother is Bangla tongue. So if we arrange all these words, we will find Bangla is our mother tongue. So at the beginning we have to write capital letter. Bangla is our mother tongue. Also this one is simple sentence, so we have to put full stop at the end. Now number 4. Go now he to works. So the sentence will be he wants to go now. H will be capital letter. He wants to go now. Full stop. Number 5. At, go, do, night, not, out. If we arrange them, we can write do not go out at night. Do not go out at night. So I'm writing do not go out at night. Okay. Now come to number 6. Today, very, it, cold, is. So we can write it is very cold today. It is very cold today. Then full stop. Number 7. Just a ruler was he. You can write he was just a ruler. Here I'm writing he was just a ruler. He was just a ruler. Now number 8. 8 is now first is half. So you can arrange it. 8 is now 8:30. 8 is now 8:30. That's all. We have to put full stop. Number 9. Reading habit. Newspaper, me, up. We can arrange it like me, a habit of reading newspaper. Look, I'm writing me, a habit of reading newspaper. Make a habit of reading newspaper. Number 10. Your main sister, the what of is. From this we can write what is the name of your sister. What is the name of your sister? What is the name of your sister? And we have to put question mark. Look here, the sentence starts with WH word what, and it is asking a question, so we have to put question mark at the end. Now students, say with me. Number 1, how did he learn his lesson? Number 2, I know how to try. Number 3, Bangla is our mother tongue. Number 4, he wants to go now. Number 5, do not go out at night. Number 6, it is very cold today. Number 7, he was just a ruler. Number 8, it is now 8:30. Number 9, make a habit of reading newspaper. Number 10, what is the name of your sister? Students, that's 1 to 10 is given. Now it's time to provide your homework. Your homework will be rearrange. You have to do rearrange 1 to 5. I'm repeating, your homework will be rearrange 1 to 5. And don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with submission date at the top of the corner of your copy. Students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Please do your homework and don't forget to submit your homework copy on every Saturday. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.